The International Consortium for Personalized Medicine has been able to create synergies between regional, national and European policymakers, and has been able to establish a constant policy dialogue among these and the university and industrial representatives. Through conferences, thematic workshops, training activities, we have been able to push the topic of personalized medicine within the national, regional and the European agendas. With the workshop titled Advanced Personalized Medicine Through Technology Development, we wanted to showcase the latest discoveries, the latest advancements on personalized medicine, and how the invited experts that have joined in Siena have been able to tackle the most prominent challenges in the personalized medicine innovation. In addition, with the workshop that has been hosted by Tuscany Regional Government, the city of Siena, with the support of Toscana Life Sciences, we also want to give high visibility to the best practice examples that have been awarded through the International Consortium for Personalized Medicine.